Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to see all of my future videos. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend your nails using polygel and paper nail forms. I have already prepped my natural nails and then placed a base gel. This one is from Ohuhu. These are the paper nail forms that I'm going to be using today, the ones that I have stuck. But you want to place it right underneath the free edge of your nail, and then once you have it underneath your nail, you're going to squeeze the sides of the nail form together. I'm going to take the center of the paper nail form to try to hold the tip together because my forms do not stick well. This is the polygel that I'm using today. It is the brand Tomicca. This color is called Pink. It is from a polygel nail kit that they no longer sell, but I will link their website down below along with my discount code if you would like to check out some of their other kits. This polygel has a great consistency. It does not run all over your nail, and yet it's not too thick at the same time. It's also not a sticky polygel, which makes it great to work with. Here, I'm just taking the polygel brush dipped in some alcohol and I'm smoothing the polygel over my nail. I usually like to start at my cuticle area and then smooth the polygel around my sidewalls and then pull the product down my nail. I like to do this method because I feel like it gives me a very smooth surface, and when you have a smooth surface of polygel, you don't have to do that much filing at the end of your manicure. Which is nice because I'm not a big fan of filing. I feel like it takes forever. So I like to try to get my manicures as smooth as possible before filing. I am just pulling the polygel down onto the paper nail form, and I'm trying to pre-shape my nails into a square or tapered square. And I like to do this also because you spend less time filing your nails, and it's great to have a good base shape for your nail. I am going to be doing a second layer of polygel, so I'm not too worried about the structure at this point. Once I have this shape like I want, I am going to do a full cure under my UV LED lamp, and then I'm going to remove the paper nail form because it's annoying. I'm going to take the same polygel and I'm going to place a little bead in the center of my nail, and then I'm going to be smoothing that polygel out onto my nail. For this layer of polygel, I'm trying to build some structure for my nail so it doesn't break. During this stage of the polygel application, I do try to keep it as smooth as I can, again, so I don't have to do that much filing at the end. Once I have that how I like, I'm going to do a full cure under my UV LED lamp. I'm going to repeat the same process on all of my other nails. For this video, I was originally planning to do an in-depth how to do polygel with nail forms tutorial, but honestly, looking at the footage that I have for this video, it's so annoying to see how many times I have to readjust these paper nail forms, and I feel like it's not a good teaching moment when I'm having issues on the other side of the screen. So I'm choosing to just do this as a watch me work kind of video. I do plan to do a different in-depth video using paper nail forms with ones that actually stick. So stay tuned for that, but please enjoy watching me do my nails. After I have the last layer of polygel, I'm going to do a full cure under my lamp. Then I'm going to take a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and remove the sticky layer. You definitely do not want to skip this step, as the sticky layer will gunk up your nail file if you do not remove it before filing your nails. Then I'm going to take my e-file, and with this drill bit, I don't know what it's called, I will insert it right here. I am going to file over the surface of my nails. When I file my nails with the e-file, I usually like to focus on the cuticle and sidewall areas first, and then I smooth over the rest of the nail. So because I added the second layer of polygel without the nail form on, I did get some of the polygel underneath my nail, so that's why I'm filing right here, because I'm trying to smooth out the underside of my nail. If you usually have trouble trying to get all of your nails to be the same length, I have a good tip for you. Take a paper nail form and place it underneath the tip of your nail, and remember which line your nail is at. Mine is at a 3. So then you go to your next nail and you can measure that one as well. This way you know how much length to take off of the longer nails to make all of your nails an even length. Because I'm such an impatient person when it comes to filing, I'm going to take my nail clippers and gently cut off a little bit of length from this nail. After I've removed a tiny bit of the length, I'm going to take my hand file and file the shape of my nail. I'm also going to file over the surface of my nail just a little bit to make sure that I have a very smooth surface. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same step for all of my other nails. Here's what my nails look like after they're all shaped and filed. Then I'm going to take my favorite no wipe gel top coat. This is from Double Dip, their Bella Vena collection, and I'm going to be applying this to all of my nails. But first I'm going to take a lint-free wipe with some alcohol and remove all of the dust from the filing. After all of the excess dust is removed, now I'm able to go ahead and apply my gel top coat to all of my nails. I really love this gel top coat because it has a great consistency. It is a little bit on the thicker side, which is nice because I love thicker gel top coats, and it does have a great shine to it, which is very nice. And of course, it's no wipe, so after you cure your nails, you're all done. I'm gonna go ahead and do a full cure under my UV LED lamp. After applying some cuticle oil, here are my nails. I really love this color of polygel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Bye!